Welcome and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Zahara Flavor with another video. Thank you for liking, commenting and subscribing to my channel always. So today we are going to shave. Is it called shaving? I don't know, but we are going to shave to remove this hair here using Nisa. I'm going to use this shaving cream and we'll see how it works. It's that. I think we don't apply much because I also don't have much hair in my armpits. And it's written we should wait for 5 minutes. Then we use this for cleaning ourselves. I thought it would burn, but it's not burning. That means it doesn't have any side effect. Let's wait and see 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, let's check. Its box has this thing. It's a plastic like thing. You can use anything if you don't have a plastic thing, but I think, I don't know, this one comes with it, eh? So you get this plastic thing and you do like this. It's removing all the hair from your armpits, and by the way, it removes any kind of hair. Let's check and see. Wow, so soft and smooth. Then we come back here again. So clean. It removes off all the kind of hair, everything, and the bad odor as well. Let's check and see. Isn't this good? I think you should try it as well. So nice, so soft. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment to my videos. I love you.